Hello and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Facebook ads size so you can cover all like Instagram Reels, Facebook ads, and post. So go to social media and let's select Facebook ads. After that, what you want to do, you want to press on the picture. Let's say, for example, we have already set up the commercial and we press on the picture, press edit, page, resize, custom size, and now we type in 1080 on 566. Copy and resize. Now, as you can see, we have a picture. First one, we can delete this one. We don't need it. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna press edit. Again, page, resize, custom size. We select again 1080 on 1080. Copy and resize. Let's scroll down so we can see it. So you can see, as you can see, we have two different pictures. Again, on the last picture, we press edit, page, resize, custom size 1080 on 1920. So we cover all the Facebook ads requirements. Copy and resize. As you can see, we have three different layouts. I hope you enjoy. If it helped you, please press subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment and see you next time.